If you have an idea, like an ebook, a template, or even a trading strategy, you can start selling it online today without building a full website. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how I sell my own ABC Trading Rules ebook on Gumroad, so you can launch yours too. I'm Cashflow Marco, and I help creators and traders turn their knowledge into income. My ABC Trading Rules ebook is live now on Gumroad, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get set up on your own product, list it for sale, and start making money, even if you've never sold online before. First, decide what you're selling. Gumroad works for almost any digital product: ebooks, courses, templates, music, art, trading tools. For me, I already had my ABC Trading Rules ebook, so that's what I used. The key is picking something that solves a specific problem or teaches a specific skill. Now, head to gumroad.com and sign up for free. There are no monthly fees. They only take a small percentage when you make a sale. Fill in your profile with your name, photo, or logo, and a short description of what you offer. Click Add a Product and choose Digital Product. Give it a clear, benefit-driven title. For mine, I named it ABC Trading Rules. Your description is what turned browsers into buyers. Highlight the transformation your product provides, instead of just saying, like I did, an awesome ebook for traders worldwide. Jazz it up a bit. Learn the rules that help me secure a funded trading account in 2024, and the A through Z actionable guide. Visual sell. Use a clean mock-up that makes your product feel tangible. I created mine in Canva starting out. Then I went to Adobe Illustrator, showing my ebook on a tablet and phone. Another cool feature with Gumroad, you can invite your community to your Discord. You can set a fixed price or let people pay what they want. I priced my ebook at $9.99, but you can pay as little as $7.77 based on the value it delivers and similar products in my niche. Now you're ready to upload your file. You can use PDF, zip, audio, or whatever format you're selling. On my channel, I create videos teaching small parts of my trading strategy, and at the end, I invite viewers to grab the full ebook. Think about the problem your product solves and create free content that leads people to your paid solution. Once it's ready, hit publish and share your product link everywhere. Social media, your YouTube descriptions, email lists, even in your bio. I use my ABC Trading Rules ebook in almost every video as a call to action. Inside Gumroad, you can set up automated thank you emails, upsells, or bonus content. That way, every sale helps you build a relationship and a customer list you can sell to again. So that's how I sell my ABC Trading Rules ebook on Gumroad from the comfort of home. And you can do the same with your own product. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more helpful tutorials and drop a comment telling me what digital product you like to launch. Hey neighbor. Like I always say, I have a lot of value and a little time to share it. Peace, family.